guys, and welcome to the channel Tech Tab. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update any graphic card in Windows 10, whether it is from NVIDIA, Intel or AMD. So for that, right click on this PC and go to Properties. Here click on Device Manager. Go to Display Adapters and here you will see your graphic card. If you recently installed a window, it will say Windows Display or something like that. So just right click and click on Update Driver and select Search Automatically for drivers. In my case, my driver is already updated, so it is showing that the best driver for a device are already installed. So close it up. Another way is by using Intel, NVIDIA or AMD software utility. I will leave that link in the description. Just download it and install. It will automatically search the graphic card, download the latest driver. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.